I'm so happy to welcome you all here today. We're amazing teachers, parents, family, and friends. Thank you for being with us on this special day. Can you believe it? We are finally kindergarten pupils. It feels just like yesterday. We were taking our first steps into this big exciting world of learning. And look how far we've come already. And to our teachers, thank you for being with us on this incredible journey. You've taught us so much more than just numbers and letters. You've shown us the importance of kindness, sharing, and friendship. And we're so grateful for everything you do. And to our parents and families, thank you for your endless love and support. You've cheered us on every step of the way, and today we get to celebrate together. So here's the new beginnings to laughter, to learning, and to making memories that will last a lifetime. Let's cherish every moment together and make this year the best one yet. Once again, welcome everyone to this moving up ceremony school year 2023 and 2024. Thank you.
Thank you, Sayuriya Daniela, for that warm welcome. At this juncture, to present to us the candidates for completion, may I call on Miss Marianne Lewis, the kindergarten grade level pair, and to be followed
Ay, good job,
by
Miss
the
Tita.
completion
Ay,
of
very good.
candidates for completion by Madeline Yu Cabajo, PhD, the school principal, to be followed by the